Ano fa yung volume mo sa TV? If like the options are like from 1 to 100, kasi may mga ganun na TV na 1 to 100. Pero siguro iba 1 to 10 or 1 to 50, 1 to 20. Pero sige, ang ating pagbabasehan will be 1 to 100. So ito na nga. So it starts with 1, lahat naman na numbers nagsisimula sa 1. Magulat ka, 5 nagsimula yung numbers, 'di ba? So if mo yun, like on a daily basis parang na siya common sense na siya na 100 will be too loud for you. Kahit bata ka pa, alam mo yun, like super okay pa yung pandinig mo. 100, too loud yun like makaka-affect yun pagtanda mo na. Akala mo, hindi siya affect habang bata ka, pero pagtanda mo puro ka na puro ka na ganon. And if matanda ka naman na, so parang isipin mo, need na malakas, need na 100 for my lolo, for my lola. Huwag mo silang i-underestimate kasi parang binabastos mo sila, parang in your face mo na, ang bingi mo na, ganon. So wag niyo iparamdam sa kanilang bingi na sila. So I think the best number and volume talaga sa TV is around, I can give options para hindi lang isa-isa. It's around 70 to 75. Doon, around there. Honestly, ang nasa utak ko nga 50 pero I realize na 50, there's a chance, depende sa TV, na 50 might be too low pa rin. Pero pag nasa 70 or nasa 75 ka na, you can choose naman between the rest, 70 to 75. 70, 71, 72, 70, 74, 75. We have 5 options naman. So, hindi mo masyado need mag-isip. So, I think around there, you can hear it really well na if andun siya, like, lahat ng generations, they can hear it really well na mapatanda, teenager, or bata. So, ayun. I hope I'm helping, guys, I think ang purpose ko lang naman sa mundong to is makashare na knowledge ko with everything that's happening with our daily basis, with our daily lifestyle.
Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.
Roar?
Yeah, meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mag-meow?
I wanna meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means yung predicate, it can go into pandiwa.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
And the
Gusto mo yung i-round up sa numerator?
Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid and medium,
is equals to y-axis.
Oh, this is a bus. So when you meow, you can. And then when you twist it,
and then you transpose it, right?
Yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one.
Tsaka na sa in the middle, in the power of 8, di ba?
Sabi na in the power of 8, you can round that.
What is the final answer?
Meow.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
If she wants to be a cat, I want to be a dog because I want to...
8. This is my question for you for tonight. Kung magiging animal ka.
Animal.
Okay. What animal would you be and why? Sorry, management.
Maliban sa cat.
Maliban sa cat and dog.
Kasi na yung...
No!
Leopard.
Feeling ko, magiging lion. Because, Savanya, Sabari, Sababa. I really love that movie.
Lion and
you know
Tiger.
that movie? The Lion King. Wait. Get other mic.
Dapat bird ka kasi pilot nga, dream
you
mo,
know the
diba?
movie Lion King?
Yeah,
I really like the Lion King movie.
Wait. Ano kasi? We go tambay kasi sa mall with my friends kasi before when I'm at the university.
Have you watched the Lion King 3D version?
I haven't.
I watched that in the cinema.
Yeah.
I forgot. I forgot the mall.
Maloy first flight.
Para like...
have this. It's called Toge. I got this. It's called Patatas. It's got. Let's do. It's called carrots. And this. Not even the crust of pie. ¿Cuál?
Sharon!
Aren't they pretty? Look at them. Same size, same height. Pretty. Oh no, I have to come in lang. Let's heat. Try to heat up. Maps. Uy! 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 Bilis! Oh! Golden brown agad. Wow! Wow! Oh, wow! Grabe naman kayo, asukal. Oh my god. Okay, let's bite kasi mag-live na si Kulat. Init!
Giling mo, na suabe pwede ba? Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling nyo na matunaw ang taba. Giling-giling, giling-giling, hayaan yung mata nila ay lumuwa.
Be, masyado ka maaga, mag-aayos pa ako. Diyan ka muna, bantayan mo yung kapatid ko ha. Mabait yan.
Be, yung aso ninyo, pag nakagat ako niya, may rabies pa naman yan.
Be, mas kompleto pa ng bakuna sa'yo yan.
Be, ang init yung aircon.
Be, hindi ko naman sanay, wag na.
Alam ko pag bisita, dapat soft drinks yung binibigay, di ba?
Ang arte mo, gusto mo kumukulong tubig, bigay ko sa'yo.
Be, nasan ka na ba? Ang tagal mo naman.
On the way na, Be, on the way na.
On the way na talaga, Be. On the way na ako, Be. Wait lang. On the way na, Be. On the way na. So, sino yung sun and moon mo ngayon, Be? Ako. Hi.
Bakla ka, ang tagal-tagal mo, tas dadating ka lang na mukhang walang ligo.